Hello again, small model collectors. So we have two pictures. I'm going to let you guess what those things are, or if you can wait, I'll show you what they are at the end of this video. We only have a very few models here to go over today because I don't have any more to show off. So it's a mix, variety mix here today. So today we're going to start off here with the John Deere 9630 farm tractor. So yeah, it's a relatively modern looking tractor. And then for reference, we have the Range Rover, classic Range Rover on a US penny. So 1/400 scale, really small stuff. Although you can buy bigger scales on Shapeways, although they will cost more. They will be easier to paint. Alright, this is a Peterbilt towing truck, a wrecker. It's built Peterbilt 379. So pretty cool looking, I think, these multi-axle tow trucks. Okay. Since there's room, I guess I'll just leave that up there. This is a good old Dodge Ram crew cab from 2017. Yep. And then the good old Chevy Suburban from 2009. And then I made a police variation of that Suburban. Okay, so it's got a brush guard and lights on the roof. Okay, then we have a Ford F650 chassis with an ambulance back on it. And then for excuse me, for leisure seekers, we have a Airstream trailer. This is called a Serenity. Serenity 27FB. I have to look this stuff up. I can't remember all these things. Alright, let's clear out this coaster here. Hold on. Alright, so this is a military truck. This is a MAN HX81 8x8. So it seems like to be a pretty modern truck. Just armor plated and all that stuff. It does have a receiver to pull a trailer. Okay. This next one is a Burlak 6x6. So this is one of those snow expedition vehicles. You can see the size of the tires are even bigger than this big commercial truck size tire. Or even bigger, because that's a military vehicle. Okay, so the last two are those images. So you can see in the black and white photo, this is an old vehicle. This is the Antarctic Snow Cruiser. I've shown it before, but in a 1/64 scale video, so you'll probably never find it. And so this thing was meant to go peruse or tour about Antarctica. I don't know if it ever made it there though. I'm not sure. It may have been a failed mission, or maybe it broke down there pretty quick. Okay. And then the last one here is called the Overland Train. If I recall, this was developed by the US Army and is meant to be a train, but can go over any territory, right? So, just to bring back this photograph here. These are two people. Look how big the tire is next to those two people. This is a armored personnel carrier sitting on this thing. Right, so this is a huge vehicle in real life, and henceforth in 1/400 it just dwarfs that Range Rover there. Same with the Antarctic vehicle as well. Unfortunately, it broke off there was something up there, but it broke it off. Okay, let me get all these things lined up. Not sure if any of you guys have a favorite. There's some funky vehicles in this last mix for sure. I'm not sure which of these two I like the most. I do have to say, I do like this Burlak thing too. If you're rich, you could buy that and drive it today. If you're richer, you could actually probably buy a MAN armored truck. Okay, well, I don't see myself putting out any 1/400 scale videos anytime soon because I have to go to America in order to buy these things. The shipping cost is too much to Asia because they always state the full value, and so customs tax would be like 30% on anything I order, plus the shipping itself is pretty expensive internationally. So it might be a long time before you see a 400 scale video. That's what I'm getting at. But I do appreciate you guys checking out the playlist, and if you're interested in buying these or at this scale or larger, you know, feel free to check out the Shapeways link that I have at the bottom of this video in the comments section or whatever. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.